Adjust the trip arm and chain so the flapper lifts fully on a single smooth handle pull, without forcing the handle or keeping the flapper open. Start by turning off the water and flushing to lower the tank level so you can see the canister or flapper assembly clearly. If the chain is too short, the flapper will not seat and the toilet will run, and if the chain is too long, the flapper will not lift fully and you get a weak flush. Slide the trip arm bracket along the canister top until the arm just contacts the canister body without binding, and then reattach the chain to the arm about 1/2 inch of slack from the flapper when it is seated. Use a single chain link or a small metal hook when possible to fine-tune length without creating twists that can catch on the overflow tube. Test by pressing the handle firmly once, watching the flapper rise and fall, and ensure the handle returns to its neutral position smoothly without dragging the chain. If the handle sticks upward, then lengthen the chain slightly or reposition the arm to reduce upward tension. Most people make the chain too tight, which leaves the flapper partially open and wastes water, and the fix is to add 1 or 2 links of slack or move the chain attachment farther down the arm so the flapper can fully close. Another common issue is the arm rubbing against the canister or tank interior, which can prevent a clean return. Solve that by rotating the arm or trimming a burr and repositioning the bracket so there is light contact only when the handle is at rest. A third problem is having the chain hooked to a clip that allows rotation and tangling. Switch to a simple single link hook or a stabilized clip and run the chain in a straight line to the flapper to avoid catching. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find jobs that match their skills and service area. And our site includes a community discussion area where members share tips and ask questions about projects like toilet adjustments. We use listings and community feedback to make matches easier for everyone, and our discussion boards are active for troubleshooting and quick how to help.